This is Ixpy, and today I'm going to show you guys how to code this trade right here, which was a 1 to 103 and 3 RR. It's pretty simple. So basically, I was watching at the daily time frame, which is this, and I was looking for shorts because we were, of course, in a downtrend. I don't base my trades based on the daily time frame, but I try to spot all of liquidities where I can place my TPs. And of course, we were in a downtrend. We were expecting the bearish period raise, and I saw that my standard deviations were aligning with this order block right here, which is a 15-minute order block, and lines up perfectly with the CE. Then it runs from here, goes down, retraces, and then creates another order block. I think it was in the 5 minute. I caught this in the 5 minute, and I saw a bunch of orders on the book map, right? I, I'm, I hope I'm not talking too fast because I like to speak that this way because I know you guys have things to do and your time is precious. And so basically, I set my limit right here at the CE of this. Then I cut this at 11 and a half. You can see here, like this was before the whole dump, before the news from Trump. It was just chopping around, and I was holding, and then well, basically, she just fucking went to the downside. Then I placed my standard deviations, and I think they were my TP was at somewhere around here, and this is how I caught the whole jump. It's pretty fucking easy, and I called this shit. I mean, when I called this shit, I was like already like the price was already in here, but I called it. I saw the heat map that we had a bunch of liquidity down there, which it got stripped, and that's how I place my. First, I place my standard deviations. Don't ask how I place them because I won't. I'll make a video, but not right now. And I have my standard deviation right here, which had a reaction there, but then just to fucking dump more. And yeah, basically, and an example of my strategy, it's this. For example, this. So we have this all of this choppy as market. This is not choppy, but yeah, still. This is a liquidity, bunch of liquidity. We spot our supply zone, and then I think if I use my standard deviations, I'm gonna get a level around there. For example, mm, yeah, right there. Got respected. Then to catch the bottom, I remember my standard deviation from the high to the breaker, and then we have -4, -4.5. The CE of that, you would have caught the bottom, and then we have the order block right here, and then you have the CE, and then you have the standard deviation, with this. And pretty much it was like those were my confluences, not gatekeeping. I mean, a little bit, but I'm not saying anything until another video because I asked you guys in the other video about if you wanted a video about my standard deviations. I know it's in nothing, so I'm guessing you're right. And yeah, pretty much yeah. I think I posted this trade on my TikTok, which was crazy because I was recording this, but when the price was about to reverse and go to my stop loss, I stopped recording, but I still didn't close the trade and didn't move to break even because I was sure that this shit was gonna hit, and indeed hit. But yeah, so confluences, real quick. where liquidity, order block, standard deviations, and heat map. This is pretty much how I call this trade. You don't need a complex strategy. You just need to have a better edge and journal your trades. That's how you will get better at trading. Not by learning every fucking single strategy that you see on internet of some random that is not even profitable. But yes, this is how pretty much I got this. Yeah, this is just an example of how you could have cut like the very top. But you can't always catch the top. I mean, you can if you're too good, but yeah, you get the point. I hope you guys understood something of this. I'm trying to be more clear on my videos, but yeah. Peace.